Hello children, myself Asmita Sankhe, Mumbai Public School, Eksar Talepakhadi, English School, Borivali. Today I am going to take an activity of speaking by observing the pictures. This pictures tells us a story. Look at the given pictures carefully and make a story and then say the story aloud. Observe the pictures in the story number 1 carefully. What you can see in the first picture?
I can see one car and the person sitting in is throwing the garbage on the road.
Very good. The person in the car is throwing the garbage on the road. What you can see in the second picture?
I can see a girl picking up the garbage and putting up in the dustbin.
Is the girl alone?
No, the girl is with her dad.
What you can see in the third picture?
I can see one girl is throwing the garbage with her dad.
In the
dustbin.
Excellent. So now the question given is, where should we throw the garbage or where should we throw litter?
We should throw the garbage or litter in the dustbin.
Excellent. We should throw the litter in the dustbin. So this is the story number 1. Now observe the story number 2. What you can see in the first picture?
I can see the people standing in the queue for ticket.
Very good. The people are standing in a queue with a ticket. Now what you can see in the second picture?
I can see the girl with the watch is running to the ticket counter to get ticket fast.
Very good. Now what is the girl with the watch doing? She is running to the ticket counter to get the ticket. Excellent. Now observe the third picture. What you can see? The girl is telling her.
The girl is telling the girl with the watch, why you break the queue?
Yes, and you should
not break the queue.
Why are the queues important?
Queues are important to be disciplined and save time.
Very nice. The queues are important to save time and to maintain the discipline. Now this is the story number 2. Now we will move to the third story. Observe the pictures in the third story. Can you observe the first picture? What the boy is doing here?
The boy is drawing on the bench.
Yes, the boy is drawing on the bench with the
colors.
Excellent. Now, what you can see in the second picture?
The yellow boy is telling
The yellow shirt boy
is telling to the other boy, you should not color on benches.
Very nice. The yellow t-shirt boy is telling the red one that you should not spoil the benches. You should not color the benches. Is it a good or a bad habit?
No, it's a bad habit.
Yes, it's not a good habit. It's a bad habit. What you can see in the third picture now?
I can see the 2 boys are wiping the colors drawing on the bench.
Now, this question given is, have you seen the benches with people's name and messages scratched on them?
Yes, I have seen such benches in the park and theatre.
Very good. Okay, so you have seen the benches with the people names and messages scratched on them. Do they look nice?
No, they look dirty.
Okay, the benches look very dirty. So the two children, the yellow t-shirt one and the red one, is wiping and cleaning the bench with the drawings and the colors. So this was the story number 3.
Bye. Okay, bye.
Very good, children. Thank you.